Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your aim. Pick one clear task and commit to a block of uninterrupted time, for example, 25 to 50 minutes. Once you decide, start a timer so the deadline creates mild urgency. This teaches your brain to concentrate. Make sure to remove 3 top distractions, put your phone away, silence notifications, and close unrelated tabs. Prepare essentials within reach so you won't break focus to fetch things. This reduces friction and makes sustained attention likely. You now move into steady execution. Work with single task intensity and treat interruptions as data. Note them on a sheet and return immediately to the task. Once done with an initial pass, use short 5 to 10 minute checkpoints to reassess scope and trim needless steps, which keeps momentum without losing context. When attention falters, take a 30 to 90 second micro break to reset breathing and posture, then refocus and continue, preserving flow while preventing mental fatigue. You finish by reviewing output. Note what you completed, define the next action, and record how much time you spent so you can improve estimates. Once done, close the loop by listing any recurring distractions and choose one concrete fix for the next session. This converts mistakes into system upgrades. If things went wrong and focus collapsed, try a shorter timer or change context. A single tweak often restores performance. Finally, reward yourself or do a brief physical reset to solidify the win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.